ulan guys. Ayan, graduation ng anak ko. Ang lakas ng ulan. Ah!
Diana Trish with honors and outstanding performance in research. The honor graduates from 12A and C. Mr. Ronald. Please remain standing for the exit of colors. Our guest speaker, Mr. Wilbert P. Serrano, our deepest appreciation for the support we have extended and of course for inspiring our graduates. To the graduates, congratulations, soar high and make our alma mater proud.
Hello. Ha? Ay. Awan si Kuya Dindin. Si ate.
Ano yung ice cream nyo, ma'am? Yung solo lang.
Ha? Ha?
Wait lang.
Harap ka dito Kuya Dindin. Gutom kayo? Ha? Gutom? Wala ko. Dali. Gutom na? Ha? Agut. Ah.
Four, five, six, seven, eight. Isipin mo, 5 hours. Sa lahat ng